Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be going over the key levels on XDC. So we have our key level criteria here. Swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic move away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So right off the bat, we can see our swing high here on the monthly. So let's plot that. And what we also see here is a key level where we had multiple rejections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we also see price broke through this level and establishing a swing low. As we can see, we've had multiple months holding this level. So let's plot that in. Now let's move to the weekly and we can see more data. So on the weekly here, let's look at our swing low. We can see long wick candle rejecting the level and price going up. And price has actually made a lower low, establishing a new key level as multiple weeks have held above this level. As we now look at most recent terms, this was the last point where price reversed quite drastically. So let's plot this level. As price comes back and approaches this key level, we will be aware that a reaction may occur. Now, let's look at the rest of our chart. We can notice, as easy looking at this chart, that we have a clear swing high rejection. So we plot this level on our chart. As we come down, it might be a little difficult to see, but we had price came down and reversed. As price came down, we see another reversal around the same level, although we cannot draw a clear trend line as this was the first establishment of the key level. So what we want to do is draw a zone. As we draw the zone on our chart, we can clearly see how price reacted in the same area, establishing the fact that prices do not move on strict price, and instead they move in the same general area as before. So if we notice any other zones, we can see right here. This resistance point was established first. As we can see, price came up, reversed. As price came up, it broke right through. And this level is also nearby to our monthly level. So we can see price is very volatile in this area. Not sure whether to claim the monthly or the weekly. As it fools around here, we see that price initially broke through, came down, but notice this long wick here. This long wick came all the way up to our weekly resistance level here and got rejected. So now, looking at our chart, we can tell that there's a lot more structure involved, and we can have an idea where price is going to react next. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe for the next one.